Hey everyone, it's me Salman from withintheflow.com. As I promised that I'm going to teach you each and everything about Facebook ads from beginner to the expert level. But you need to see this video till the end as there is something hidden which most of you don't know about. So coming to quickly towards the today topic, why we need a business manager or why we should create a business manager. Why don't we just run the ads through the boost post option? Well, I have a few points regarding this. The most important thing is your data. If you don't have your data, you can't scale your business or you can do nothing. For example, here I can see how many people I had reached, how many clicks I get, how much I spend, and how much the total number of purchases. And the most important thing, if you just run your ad through the boost post option, you just get the engagement thing. For example, here we have few options like engagement. For example, Facebook is just going to give you likes and comments but nothing else, whereas here you can see the option, for example, conversions. Facebook will give you conversions, or you can say buyers, or whatsoever your relevant event is. Facebook is going to optimize it for that. Or you can say this is the Facebook algorithm. So coming towards the today topic, that how you can create the Facebook business manager. Remember, you have to see this video till the end. So just start. Just go to business.facebook.com, hit create account from the right top. Just log in into your Facebook account. Now just log in. Now just again click create account from the right top. Now you just have to give a business name, like I'm going to write it within the flow test. uh, Here you have to write your name, like I'm going to write Zap, an exemplary name, and the email, the business email that I want to get notified, and just click next. Well, you just sorry, you have to write your last name as well. So I'm going to write it Axio Zam, and now I click next. Well, here I have to fill the information like the country, the street address, the city, state, zip code, business number, your website. I'm just writing it within the flow. Here we have two options: promote it on goods or services. I'm right. Okay, just click done. Here you go. A new business manager is created, and if you want to create a new business manager and you have an existing business manager, you can also create it by this way. So just click on the gear icon from the top right. Here we have a lot of options on my left side. People, partner, page, ad accounts. What I'm going to do is I just going to create a new ad account. Create a new ad account. I'm just going to give it a name within the flow testing. In flow test. Okay. Just click create ad account, and now if I have more than one people, I can select, and here I can just give the rights. Add account admin, save change. Here I can also give more than one rights to more than one people. Now the second and the most important thing, add a page. Here we have three options. uh, Add a page, request access to a page, create a new page. So we just start with the first one, add a page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page which I am an admin. Oh, I'm not an admin, as this is a new account. What I can do, request access to a page, but I need a primary page in the business manager so that I can add or request a new page, or request someone's other's page. So I just create a page right away from my business manager, give it a name like I'm giving it testing for community. Category, I'm just going to take it like advertising and marketing, give it the address or the information. City, zip code, etc., etc. And the page is created. Now I have to select it as my primary page. Now I can access other page, like I can send request to the other page, and now I have add account. I have to add more people in my business manager, so I can do this from right here. Assign assets. If I have other people and I want to assign them, and I'm going to add people. I just click add, just enter the email address that I just want to send the invite. Admin access, if I want to give them the admin rights. Assign additional roles, like I'm going to give them the finance right, for example, uh, the payment methods, etc. The Give them the page rights, like the page I can also give them right while sending them invitation. So here is the email, and it would be marked as pending. Now what I'm going to do, I just or the person who maybe wants to be added into this business manager has to check his email right away, and he got such an email from Facebook notification at the Facebook at the facebookmail.com. Just click get started, and your name, for example, I'm going to write my name, Salman Nazar, and fill out all the related information, and here I go. A brand new accessible business manager. I just refresh the page from that new ID, and here I can see Salman Azhar is added, and I can assign more rights. Like if I have more than one business page in my business manager, I can give a new person the rights to access that page, or you can change the rights of the relevant people. Add account, add account admin. Previously it was an add account advertiser, and I have admin and finance rights like previously. And you can also change the rights of someone, and you can also remove, like you can if you click the cross sign, you can remove someone from your business manager, from your ad account, from your catalog, from your app whatsoever. And the most important thing, you have to add it right away, the payment thing. Like here I can add the payment details um, of my credit card. So the secret, as I promised in the start, if you have a business manager, you can create a a page post with the button, with the CTA, with the call to action. You can say shop now, learn more, etc. And how you can do that? Here on your top left, we have this page post option under create and manage. Okay, just click it. Here you can select the page, click create post, give the URL of a product or whatsoever it is, give the post text that just appear on the top of the post, call to action. Here is the list. For example, if I create an exemplary one with indeflow.com, a website helping e-commerce communities, and just give it like what would be my city. Learn more. Here is set. Okay, uh, create post, and it just appear right here. And if I just click publish, it would be published on my page. This thing is going to help you in long run. Like, you can create a post and publish it on your page. You can run engagement ads on this and conversions ad at the same time, which can bring you big amount of sales. Like, according to my data, the post with likes and comments can perform better. Well, that's it for now. Wait for my next lesson. That is going to be interesting. Till then, those who don't have their business manager set up, do set it, because it is really important. It is important for those as well who are not looking to run Facebook ads. How? I will tell you in my next lesson. Take care. Goodbye.